What's the deal, y'all? It's your boy AC Vicious, and as y'all can see, I'm fried, and we had Bluebird with it. All right, y'all, your boy just made it out that thing, and y'all already know what time it is. Your boy just touched down with that bag. Y'all know we had to hit up Bluebird for that Tuesday special. 3 tenders, fries, and red beans and rice for $10. You can't beat that. All right, y'all, this thing literally just a couple minutes out the back. Let's see what it's hitting on. Start off with them fries first. See them things nice and seasoned, man. Fries are solid, crispy, seasoned up as you can tell. Fries, I gotta give these solid 8 out of 10. They smacking. Pull out one of these tenders. These things is hot to the touch. Fresh, meaty, crispy. That blue sweet heat. Let's see what it's hitting on. Dip it in there. That blue sweet heat, something special. Tender by itself is gas, solid 8, 8.5, but with the sweet heat sauce, solid 9.5, 10 out of 10. For $10, you really can't beat 3 tenders, fries, and red beans and rice, and then everything is bomb on top of that. Y'all make sure y'all get down to Bluebird, let them know AC Vicious sent you. Y'all stay up, stay blessed. I'm out this thing.